In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get the wide angle lens on Snapchat. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by doing one method, and I have multiple methods that you guys can actually use. The first method is to pretend like you're zooming in, but instead zoom out. And this will turn on your ultra wide lens. The next option, if you go back to your regular lens, is to just go on the right and click on this option. Now, the final method that you can use to use ultra wide lens is to just click on the more, the plus sign, and click on ultra wide lens. That's really all there is to it, and this is only going to work if you have the latest version of Snapchat and also if your phone has wide angle lens. Be sure to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.